Good afternoon. So yesterday the topic started why we study, why do we study political theory, and in which I told you about something about the freedom also. Today I will continue that topic itself. Freedom के ऊपर ही बात करते रहेंगे आज थोड़ा बहुत. Right. Chapter wise we will be able to continue. Page number 7, third paragraph in your screen. It's here. Thirdly, as our word changes, जैसे जैसे हमारे word संसार changes होता है, I will let you know in the Hindi also so that it should be clear for you. Thirdly, as our word changes, we may discover new dimensions of freedom as well as new threats to freedom. बहुत प्यारा वर्ड है ये, बहुत सेंटेंस, ब्यूटीफुल सेंटेंस है. यू नो आपकी जो फ्रीडम की सोच है उसका दायरा बहुत बढ़ गया है, उसकी सोच बहुत बढ़ गई है, एंड दैट इज एंड एंड मतलब कहीं खत्म ही नहीं होती है. People used to say, just as anything you attack on them, and you said that you are going to attack on the freedom. People are very much conscious about the freedom now. The countries are very much conscious about the freedom, personal freedom, country's freedom, society's freedom, freedom in every angle, right? So there are new dimensions of freedom, and as well as new threats to freedom, new threats to freedom. Cousin Panic, I'm giving you some example also. There was a challenge to WhatsApp, Google, Twitter, many other apps and all, right? So what they said that you are these apps of WhatsApp and all, they are threatening the personal freedom of people. From the Google, they used to get the uh, mm, highlights of the identity of the of the person, and they used to manipulate that, right? So वो थ्रेट कर रहे थे इंडिविजुअल की फ्रीडम को. कहाँ से? व्हाट्सएप से, गूगल से, फेसबुक से, लॉट ऑफ थिंग आर देयर. फॉर इंस्टेंस, ग्लोबल कम्युनिकेशन. अभी मैंने आपको क्या कहा? ग्लोबल कम्युनिकेशन. So what is WhatsApp? It's a global communication, right? WhatsApp global communication technology is making it easier for activities to network with one another. So you are very much confident about whatever you are doing with other people. That is very safe and sound. No, it's nothing safe. That's why it is said that's a new dimension also, new threats to you also, new threats to your security, new threats to your personal matters, new threats to your freedom. न्यू डायमेंशन भी मिला है आपको और न्यू थ्रेट्स भी मिले हैं. सो कहाँ से मिला है? टेक्नोलॉजी से मिला है. Like technology is very advanced. Hackers are there. It is said that somebody hacked president of some other country, right? Information they hacked the information of America's job security and defense, rather defense also. So nothing is hidden at present. That is why it is said that it's a threat. Global communication technology is making it easier for activists to network with one another across the world for protecting global tribal cultures or forests. But it also enables terrorists and criminals to network. Now it is said that terror network is very much active. Terror network is very much smart, much smarter than the security network. How they are able to get the latest sophisticated weapons from which country they only knew. Nobody knows. right? Their communication, their global communication, and their network is very solid. How they are able? This is a threat to their security. This is threat to the security. Let us say, a war between Israel and another part of a Muslim country, right? That is a threat. Lebanon, right? So, but it also enables terrorists and criminals to network. Moreover, internet commerce is also set to increase in the future. This means that the information we give about ourselves online to buy goods or services must be protected. अब आप आपके पास कैशलेस सर्विसेज आप करते हो, पेटीएम करते हो, then let me tell you one thing, if it is secure, if it's some, every day you see in the newspaper with the suddenly some people share this OTP and lakhs of money they used to get transfer from another account to his account. How you get it? It's a threat to your security. It's threat to your economy. It's threat to your social network. So as it is a new dimension also, threat also. So even though citizens of the internet do not like government control, they recognize that some form of regulation is necessary to safeguard individual security and privacy. आप कितने भी कर लें कि आपको you should no one should interfere in your personal matters, in your freedom, but heart in heart you also know it that there should be some rule and regulation of every freedom. फ्रीडम का मतलब है आप सपोज कोई भी चीज आप एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हो, कुछ भी एक्सप्रेशन को ले लो, बस फ्रीडम का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप उसको गालियां निकालो. फ्रीडम का मतलब है यू गो हेयर एंड देयर एंड यू बाय एनीथिंग, बट फ्रीडम डजंट मीन दैट यू बाय बॉम्ब्स एंड डायनामाइट. Right. Freedom is there that you should have under the you should not be threatened by anyone, and anyone should not threat you, and you should respect your security. But if freedom wants that, you should respect other security also, right? So as a result, questions are raised regarding how much freedom should be given to the people. I'm telling you the same thing कि आपको कितनी फ्रीडम दी जाए, कितना फ्रीडम दिया जाए, right? So using the net, for instance, should they be allowed to send unsolicited emails to strangers? Can you advertise your products in chat rooms? Should government be allowed to read private emails to track down terrorists? Is a question. Right, private emails of terrorists. How much regulation is justified? कितना regulation होगा जो justified हो? And who should regulate? कौन इसको regulate करेगा? Government or some private regulators? Political theory has lot to teach us about possible answers in this question, and to therefore is very relevant. Now, putting a political theory to the practice. Let's see here, in this textbook, we continue ourselves to one aspect of political theory. Here, putting political theory into practice, right? And otherwise, you have a homework. You should read the ancient Greece, Athens, Socrates, and his disciples. Chat is here, right? You think about it, you read about it, you will be feeling lot of interest into read it, right? And if any difficulty, do inform. Putting political theory to practice. In this textbook, we continue ourselves to one aspect of political theory that deals with the which deals with the origins, meaning, and significance of political ideas, which deals with the origins. Political ideas कहाँ से origin हुए, इसका meaning क्या है, इसका significance means important क्या है, political theory का. Political ideals that we are familiar with, such as freedom, equality, citizenship, justice, development, nationalism, secularism, and so on. When we begin a debate or arguments on any topic, we usually ask, what does it mean? And how does it matter? Political theorists have asked what is a freedom or equality and provided diverse definition. देखिए पॉलिटिकल जो थिंकर्स है ना, कुछ तो कहते हैं कि देयर शुड बी regulation on your thinking also. For example, Karl Marx, Lenin, they have their own political theory, right? They say that democracy is the weak point of the government. There should be no democracy. But in their context, once upon a time, यूएसएसआर जब सोवियत संघ हुआ करता था, ये बहुत शक्तिशाली हुआ करता था, and it was one of the major powers, super power was there. We cannot say no to the early people, early theories. We cannot say that now the theories of freedom, your freedom and your dirt and your political theories, other things like development, your nationalism, your secularism, it has new meaning, but old meaning, whatever it is, it has its own value. What is freedom or equality and provided diverse definition? Freedom of equality क्या है? आज तक कभी instance they say that everybody is equal. Is everybody equal? You tell me one thing. रियलिटी में यदि हम बात करें क्या सभी एक बराबर है तो ओके सर यू विल से सर वी हैव गॉट सिक्स एज यू से सिक्स फंडामेंटल राइट ही इज आल्सो सर्विंग सिक्स फंडामेंटल राइट this is in the book only. In reality, are we equal? Is there no difference between have and have not? Does the government, uh, interfere नहीं करती है आपके आपके फ्रीडम के अंदर? Are you free to are you free to express yourself up to any extent? No, na. Discrimination है सोसाइटी में? Yes, yes, obviously है. Have and have not kind of discrimination है. Right. So, what is the freedom? Unlike in mathematics, where there can be one definition of a triangle or square, we can encounter many definitions of equality or freedom of justice. This is not a mathematics, freedom, equality, justice, and your thoughts, your expression, yes or no in the political arena. It has no definition. It has no specific definition. You will say another aspect. I will say I can say another aspect. Right. This is because this is because terms like equality concern our relationship with other human beings rather than with the things. इक्वालिटी आप कब देखते हो? इक्वालिटी आप कब देखते हो? जब one person is equal to one, we are equal, right? तो इंसानों के रूप में देखा जाता है, सामान के रूप में नहीं. Suppose you have got the best TV, another one is another one. So this is not the, yes, richness, equality of the economic status, equality of the social status. It means human to human being. Versus human is there, na? So equality basically human के ऊपर देखी जाती है. Human beings, unlike things, have opinions on issues like equality, and many opinions need to be understood and harmonized. How do we do? Uh, how do we go about doing things. Let us begin with some common experience of equality in different places. Let's discuss. We may have noticed that the people often jump the queue in shops or doctors' waiting room or the government offices. Sometimes those who do so are told to get back in the line. We feel glad. Sometimes they got ahead and we feel cheated. We resent just because we all want equal opportunity to get goods and services for which we are in paying. So when we reflect our experience, we understand that equality meaning equal opportunity one for all. We will discuss. At the same time, if there are separate counters for the old and disabled, we understand that such special treatment may be justified. Two things are there. One is for that a person, there is a queue, and for the doctors to meet the doctor, or in the shopkeeper to get from the shopkeeper to get the ration or whatever it is. Right, somebody come from behind and he put himself into the queue, and there is a big shout, please go away, please go away. And when he responds the shout, and he comes out of the queue. You feel very glad. इनकी एक लाइन तोड़कर कोई कोई सामान लेने जाता है या डॉक्टर को मिलने जाता है, तो और उसके लोग पीछे वाले लोग चिल्लाना शुरू कर देते, तो आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता है, आप भी चिल्लाना शुरू करते, ओए ओए ओए, लाइक why? Because you are not happy to that with that person who is cheating you, because you are feeling cheated. This is one. Right. And when he goes back to that last, you feel, yeah, koi baat nahi. Then you are able to satisfy yourself and satisfy that you want to satisfy that person also who came back at the last. Koi baat nahi, teri bhi bari aa jayegi. Justification, equality, because he is basically, you know, not respecting your liberty. Right? You feel cheated because we are all equal opportunity, right? And this is our experience. जब वो लाइन तोड़ के दूसरी लाइन में जाता है जल्दी से लेने के लिए, दूसरे आगे से निकलने की कोशिश करता है, तो आप क्या कहते हो कि आप सबको इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलनी चाहिए. But it never happens with the when there is a separate line for disabled person, handicapped person. You don't go over there because you think that is this particular line is meant for somebody special, and you justify that. यदि कोई handicap है तो वो वहाँ पे खड़ा है and he wants to get the tickets and all, you justify it. Okay, please go ahead. Suppose you're sitting in the bus, and sitting, and a pregnant woman comes over there and she's standing. What you will do? If your seat is reserved, even you give some share to that woman because her need is much more, much more than whatever you are in need. So if some possibility is there, you will get up and you will say, "Ma'am, please, you sit over there." We call it humanity also. We call it humanity also, right? So, but we also notice every day that many poor people cannot go to the shop or to a doctor because they have no money. Because they have no money to pay for goods and services. Some of these people could be day laborers who are cutting stones or lugging bricks for long hours. If we are sensitive, we feel that it's not fair that in society some members cannot even have their basic needs satisfied. We come to realize that equality must involve some kind of fairness so that the people are not unduly exploited and disadvantaged by the economic factors. Please underline. Please underline. Some members cannot even have their basic needs satisfied in the society. Here it is, right? Need satisfied. We come to realize, हमको ये realize होता है कि equality must be involved some kind of fairness so that the people are not unduly exploited. जब हम देखते हैं कि बहुत एक गरीब इंसान है, उसको उसके पास बहुत कुछ कम है, he is unable to meet his both the ends. So what you feel? You feel that, okay, you are not able to help him, but he should not be exploited. He should not be exploited, right? And disadvantaged by the economic factors. Consider that fact that there are many children who cannot go to school because they have to work, feed themselves, and 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 most the girl students in poor households are pulling out of the school to care for their younger siblings while parents go to work. Even though the Indian Constitution guarantees the right to primary education for all, these rights remain formal. Again, we feel that the government should do more for the children, such children and their parents so that they enable to go to school. We say Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, isn't so? Nowadays, it's a very common slogan given by our the Prime Minister Modi, Mr. Modi, right? So, why it is Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao? Why not Beta Bachao, Beta Padhao? Because we feel that girl child is much more neglected now also. We feel that girl child is doing much more work in the household also. That's why sometimes she used to be make absentee in the register long time for a long time, and she used to go to work for her younger siblings, and the girl child used to pull out of the school to take care of their younger siblings. लड़की जो होती है वो स्कूल से अपना नाम कटवा लेती है ताकि वो घर का काम संभाल सके, मम्मी पापा बाहर जाते हैं घर का काम लेबर के लिए, ताकि वो घर में जब आए तो उनको कुछ खाना पीना मिल सके. So don't you think it should not be there? It's written that it's a free of cost to study, but it is in the papers only sometimes. That's why government started midday meal, ताकि उसके और उसके सिबलिंग्स को, गर्ल चाइल्ड और उसके सिबलिंग्स को स्कूल के अंदर खाना मिल सके, एंड शी कैन कंटिन्यू with her studies. And mind it, it should not be in the papers. It should not be in the papers. It should be in the real sense. Then it says that yes, equality is there. So khana, and that's why it is no for the girl child, especially girl child and other poor children. They used to get the fee, they used to get the pocket money, they used to get the stationery, they used to get a book and copies, pencil and pens, and from the school itself. And their fee is also limited, and they are even provided, you know, uh, midday meal also. Why? So that the child should not feel neglected, and there should not be inferiority complex inside the child. So thus you may see that our idea of equality is quite complex. When we are in a queue or playground, we want to be equal opportunity. If we suffer from disability, we want special provisions made. When we cannot even afford basic needs, equal opportunity is not enough. We must be enabled to go to the school or to get the help. So आपने देखा होगा जिस जो भी मैंने पढ़ रहा हूँ तो इसमें अलग अलग इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी, स्कूल के लिए अलग इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी हो गई, द पर्सन इज स्टैंडिंग इन द क्यू उसके लिए अलग अपॉर्चुनिटी होगी, but they want a opportunity. They want the equality at last. Everyone is equal before the law. It should be there. Maybe situation could be differ from one place to another place. Situation could be differ, but equality should be right. This agency be made responsible to ensure fairness. Book क्या कहता है कि there should be some agency who justifies that the fairness of equal distribution is there, right? So today, up to we will complete over here only, and I would think it will take some 2 or 3 days more. Within 2 to 3 days, we will be able to complete that. So the reason, that's all. Last paragraph. We will go ahead. So the reason we have many definitions because the meaning of equality is dependent on the context. We started with that meaning of ourselves and then proceed to the considered with others. पहले हमने अपने ऊपर लिया कि हमारे लिए मीनिंग क्या है, हम क्या सोचते हैं, किसके बारे में, इक्वालिटी के बारे में. देन पहले तो हमारे ऊपर आया, तो स्लो एंड स्टडीली इट कम टू अनदर पर्सन, स्लो एंड स्टडीली कम टू द गर्ल चाइल्ड, स्लो एंड स्टडी कम टू द स्कूल, एंड स्लो एंड स्टडीज कम टू द सोसाइटी. But contexts are different. But meaning, you started with equality. Maybe before a shop, maybe in the school, maybe in the hospital, maybe for the job, maybe for the other opportunities. Equality should be there. So we have responsible to ensure this fairness. We started with this, and I told you this also. We discovered many layers of meaning. Obviously, many layers of meaning. We have been doing political theory without realizing. पॉलिटिकल थियरी आपको यही सिखाती है कि लिबर्टी का, इंडिपेंडेंस का क्या जस्टिफिकेशन, क्या अपॉर्चुनिटी देती है. वी से यूनिवर्सल एडल्ट फ्रेंचाइज, वी आर ऑल 18 years, वी आर ऑल इक्वल, बट आर वी इक्वल? एक वोट डाल देने से ठीक है, इट्स वन ऑफ द मेजर plus point in a democratic setup that you are being given the right to vote, right to elect the government. But before doing that, but using your right, I think you do also think that what the government will do for you. आप ये भी सोचते हैं कि गवर्नमेंट क्या करेगी, ये भी मैंने इसको चुन लिया, क्या ये मेरे आजादी को देखेगी, विल इट टेक केयर ऑफ माय फ्रीडम, फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच, फ्रीडम ऑफ जॉब, फ्रीडम ऑफ फेयरनेस, फ्रीडम ऑफ इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. पॉलिटिकल थियरी आपको यही सिखाती है. ठीक है, रेस्ट इज द नेक्स्ट पीरियड. Till then, take care and have a nice time. Thank you.